Kaya bumunot kami sa lahat na nag-text ng tamang sagot. Panalo ng 5,000 pesos, see? Congratulations! Welcome back to Panahon Ko To! Okay, our texting lines are now officially closed. Kasama pa rin natin si Jana of Team CellJ Team. Your answer was Ann Curtis. Ang tanong lang lahat, tama ka kaya? Tingnan natin kung sinong sikat. Sorry, the correct answer is Angelina Jolie, award-winning Hollywood actress named as Goodwill Ambassador for the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees at EXCO. Let's go, guys. Anyways, you and your team still win 15,000 pesos plus 5,000 because you open 1 star, a total of 20,000 pesos. Okay lang yan. Siyempre, at bukas announce namin kung sinong lucky texter na may tamang sagot ang nanalo ng 20,000 pesos. Kung walang nag-text ng correct answer, may 2,000 pesos na consolation prize pa rin kaming ipamimigay. Kaya naman, CellJ Team, nag-enjoy ba kayo sa panahon ko to? Ayun. Maraming salamat sa inyo at mabuhay kayo ngayon. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, salamat sa pagtutok nyo. Sama-sama ulit tayo mag-reminisce bukas kasama mga bagong grupong palaban. I am Luis Manzano and I would like to thank designer Whey Protein, Gold Ship, Executive Optical, Ray-Ban Swatch, Dr. Manny Pai Kalayan, Doc Nel de Family of Neo Asia IV, Traffic Shoes and Vans. Maraming salamat. M. Barreto and Alexis Marketing Corporation, Miss Jackie and Sir Wilson for my Beats headphones. Thank you po. Grabe, sikat ka talaga. Anthony Crawford, thank you to Human, Fly Perfume, Swatch, Hello Mama Virgie, Unisilver, Kalayan Mercher, Ray-Ban, Henry of South Salon, and Dr. Steve Yan. Mom, Dad, miss you guys. See you soon. See you again tomorrow dito kung saan ang buhay mo ang araw-araw na laman ng kwentuhan. This is Panahon Ko To, ang game show ng buhay ko.